Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just going to be installing some interior mods, something that lightens the mood inside the car, brightens it up a little bit, outside the car as well. So I'm going to show you what we're getting. So I ordered this off Amazon. Everything shown today I'll put a link in the description as well. So today we're getting some, I think it's called ML wire or NL wire or something like that. But basically what this is it's a little, like, just neon wire that can fit in like the grooves of your like dashboard and surround. So basically today we're just going to be fitting this in. It's got a USB end. Preferably I'd like to wire this into my like cigarette lighter or something, but I don't fancy chopping the end of this off. So yeah, I don't want to chop the end of this off in case I do some damage and then the lights don't work. And the next thing we've got is in this box. So we've got it from 3D Shadow Light. Have little BMW lights. So these are the door lights. They're under, so when you open the door, it shines on the floor. Now it's just LED white lights, as I changed in the last video. But I said in the last video that I'd prefer to get some BMW ones, so when you open the door, it shines BMW on the floor. Basically what this is a projector. I think I broke it by twisting something on the top. Basically it's just a projector, so when the light shines in, it shines a white light as well, but it also shines a BMW sign, logo. So that'll be pretty interesting to do. I'm not sure how everything goes together. Oh, like that, I'm guessing. Nice. So yeah, let's crack on. I've decided that I'm going to install the door lights, but I'm going to leave this neon for tomorrow. So I've got some light and I can take the dash, not take it apart, but I can wire the lights into the live, so then when I knock the ignition on, the lights come on. I just think I'm going to be spending all this time doing this way round, and it's just going to be, I'm just going to change it. So yeah, we'll get back on this part tomorrow, but for now, let's crack on with the door lights. Colourful sound. Let's try it on this is brand new. Oh. There's one in. So I'm going to put wires on that one. Oh, took ages for me bad move. Got the assembly out. Tell you what, pretty easy this. Just my fault, I bent these wires a little bit. I'm sure if I move them down. There we go. Hey, that's easy that. There you go, just like that. See it there, but I'll come back in the dark, see what. So I've spliced the wires into the, excuse the dirt and shit. I will get that cleaned, but I'd rather get my lights in first. So I've spliced the wires into the cigarette lighter, so when the ignition comes on, the lights are going to be on, but that's going to be sound because the ignition's only going to be on when I'm driving. I'm just going to tuck the wires into here, get it coming out of the bottom of here, and then hopefully circle it round under the dash and then across the top of here, and I'm hoping that it looks alright. So yeah, I'll show you the next bit, putting everything back together. Under there, just a moment. Keeps laughing at you, I'm telling you. Hey, fishing. Fishing from wire. Got it out. Can you see there? Right. Right, time to put the gear back on. Stuck better. Jesus Christ. Hardest part about YouTube is where to put the bloody camera. We'll start from the bottom because that's not the most noticeable bit. Oh, come on, man.